Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat again, and in this Cinema 4D quick tip I want to talk about how we can save our own custom colour scheme. So let's just jump straight in. This is what Cinema 4D R21 looks like out of the box, and the way that you'd normally go about changing the colours would be to go to Edit, Preferences, and if we look at the interface we can see that we've got the choice between a light and dark scheme. So this is the light, this is the dark, and right at the bottom here we've got scheme colours, so we can actually make some changes in here. So let's go into the editor colours, and I'm going to make some extreme choices just to, you know, show you what's being changed exactly. So this is the editor colours, and we've got background gradient 1, so let's change this to a disgusting orange or something like that, and you can see that that's actually changed our viewport. And if we go for the background 2, I should imagine it will change this colour up here. So let's make this really nasty, like a red or something like that. So there you go, you can see that I've affected the viewport, and you can change all kinds of other things as well. The colour of the particle emitters, deformers, all that kind of stuff. And if we look down here, we've got a menu just for the hair stuff, and we've got the interface colours as well. So like we've got a general background here, so I could change this. In fact, let's change this to the Digital Meat color, and now our entire interface is this disgusting looks this way, and obviously the text is no longer legible and all the rest of it. So you know, you might want to be careful about that. So if we go back to the editor colors, we can actually reset all of this. There's a reset button down at the bottom, so if I hit that, we can reset all colors or just reset the selected colors. So basically what that will do is, if you go to edit colors and reset selected colors, it will just do it for whatever you got selected in this list. So I can actually demonstrate that. So let's reset selected colors, and it puts this one back to normal. So let's make this disgusting again. Okay, so let's leave it at that, and we can close Cinema 4D, and it should, when I reopen Cinema 4D, remember all those scheme colours. And there we go. But what effectively that means is that we've forever changed, let's get our preferences back, we've forever changed our dark theme. So if I go back to light, same as it was before, and if I go back to dark, you can see that we've overwritten what was there. So how can we save out our own preset? So instead of just light and dark, we've got light, dark, and whatever we've created. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to the scheme colors, and I'm going to go to the editor colors, reset all colors. I'm also going to do the same for the hair. I don't think I changed, no, I didn't change anything in there. Interface colors, and we can reset all colors to that. So now we're just back to the default dark theme. So how do we get our own custom preset that we can choose from that drop down menu? So what we need to do is open up Explorer and navigate our way to this PC, the C drive, program files, go to where Cinema 4D is installed. As you can see, that older versions are in a Maxon folder, and R21 is now in its own folder. I don't know why they've done that. And then we can go into Cinema 4D R21's root, and then we go to resource, and then we go to modules, and inside modules there should be a folder called C4D plugin, and if we go inside that, there should be another folder called schemes. Okay, and this is where the light and dark schemes live. So I'm just going to turn off that details pane so we get a bigger view. So what I'm going to do is actually just copy the dark theme and paste it in here. So now we've got a dark theme copy, and I'm going to rename this folder. It can be anything you want. I'm going to put DM for Digital Meat, and then I'm going to go inside this, and we have two files in here called dark.col and dark.res, and I'm going to rename them so they're the same name as the folder. dmcol and dmres. And I think that Cinema 4D is going to need a kick up the arse, so I'm going to close it and I'm going to reopen it. And now if we go to edit and to preferences, we can see that we've got DM in our drop down. If you go to interface and go to where the scheme is, we've now got a new scheme called DM, and if I open that up it will be identical to the dark theme because we haven't made any changes yet. But if we go back and change our colours to horrible, although this is the one that I want, there we go. So we've got a horrible yellow and we've got another horrible colour just to make my point, and then same with the interface, we can do that again. We can make the general background a nasty green or something like that. There you go. Now, all of that is now contained within our new preset of DM. So if I go back to interface and go to light, our light still looks like light, our dark still looks like dark, and now you've got your own custom preset that you've created that will hold all that scheme information. And just as before, if you shut Cinema 4D down and reopen it, it will still retain this. So that's it, guys. That's how you create your own custom scheme colours and be able to save it as a preset. For my viewers on YouTube, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new tutorials. You can check out content at digitalmeat.uk, where you can filter my tutorials by category and vote in the poll for upcoming tutorials. You can also follow me on social media, links in the description and the footer of my website. If you'd like to help support Digital Meat, this can be done via Patreon or the support page on the website. But if you want to help Digital Meat keep going and bag yourself some extra in-depth tutorial content, the Prime membership is available for purchase in the store. This will grant you access to the Prime membership area of the website. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!